Right, home from work. Now, last night my washing machine gave off a strange smell whilst emptying. I know there's going to be many a different way to deal with this. I'm going to try this. I'm putting in an old jumper that I couldn't care less about, as I no longer volunteer for the River and Canal Trust. Plastic tub going on top of that. I stopped at Morrison's on the way home and bought some bottles of disinfectant. Now, I'm not going to use all three. 2 should do. Full bottle of disinfectant in the drum. Power on. Yeah, that's going in for a boil wash. Start. And that's the other bottle of disinfectant in the washing machine. Yeah, the third one's just for my own house. That's locked. That's going to fill up. That's a boil wash. What's the worst that can happen?